back to my channel. Today's recipe is cabbage stew, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I have cabbage. This is the key ingredient here. I have carrots, fresh mint, I have fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper. I have olive oil, half cup of olive oil. I have red onions, a teaspoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a Knorr cube. I have ginger and garlic. I have a basil paste, salt, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of nutmeg, sorry. I have oregano, dry oregano and dry thyme. Let's get started. Okay, in this pan I have beef. As you can see, it has already started cooking. I've not added any spice on it, so I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add ginger, a little bit, garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme and oregano. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of curry powder. Then I'll add the cube, all the cube. I'll add a little bit of onions. The remaining spices I will add it when the food is almost ready. So I'll give it a little bit of stir. I'll stir it a little bit, then I'll cover it to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes until the meat is done. So when the meat is done, I'll start frying the tomatoes, the onions, and the rest of them. Just stay tuned. In the pot, I have olive oil already, so I'm going to add a little bit of onions, the remaining onions, I mean to say. I'll add the remaining onions. Onions have been cooking for about 1 minute now, so I'm going to add the fresh tomatoes. Stir it a little bit, then I'll allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes at least. Let the water dry a little bit. Then afterwards, I will add the remaining ingredients. Okay, the tomato has been cooking for about 10 minutes. As you can see, the whole water has dried and the oil is already settled on top. So at this point, I'm going to add the minced pepper. I'll add the minced pepper. Then I'll allow the minced pepper to cook for about 2 minutes. Afterwards, I'll add the carrots, the cabbage, and the rest of seasoning. After adding it, I'll give it a little bit stir. Mix everything together. As you can see, everything's almost ready. It smells so good in my house. At this point, I just want to thank you guys for watching this channel. If you like what you are seeing already, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you once again for supporting this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. At this point, as you can see, pepper will be cooking for 2 minutes. I'm going to add the remaining seasoning before adding the cabbage. I'll add the curry powder and the turmeric. I'll add the salt, basil paste, oregano and thyme, nutmeg, ginger and garlic. Stir it a little bit and add carrots. Add the carrots. Let it cook for 1 minute, then I'll add cabbage. But before I add the cabbage, I'll add the beef. And the beef I'll be steaming for 10 minutes. And I checked it before off camera and it's already done. So I'm going to combine everything together before adding the cabbage. Give it a big stir. I'm not going to overcook the vegetable. Add everything together immediately so that. Alright, as you can see, the beef I will already steam. All the water is already dry. So I'm going to add the whole meat. I'm not going to add any water in this recipe because I don't want it watery. Vegetable itself adds a little bit of water in them, so I'm just going to allow them to steam. Give it a little bit of stir. This is so good. After stirring this very well, I will add the cabbage. Cover the pot, allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. Then the food is ready. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate you watching my video. Thank you for your encouragement. At this point, I'm going to add the cabbage. Then I'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then after that, the food is ready. Okay, I'm adding the cabbage. After adding the cabbage, I will give it a very big stir. Cover it and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Okay, let's do it step by step. If you don't like it this way, you can add a little bit of water. I don't want it watery, so you need to allow the vegetable to sweat, bring out the full juice. This vegetable, this cabbage stew, you can use it to eat rice, white rice. It can be used to eat boiled yam or boiled plantain. It's a very nice delicacy. If your kids don't like vegetable, just give this one a try. See how they will like it. Add the remaining cabbage. vegetable, the cabbage, everything is done. At this point, I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh mint. Then afterwards, I'll let it serve the dish. Turn the stove off. Give it a little bit stir. I'm going to be eating this beautiful, delicious cabbage stew with rice. Off camera, I tested for salt and it's good, so yummy. Alright, let me serve myself because I'm starving. I have cooked rice here, so I'm going to add vegetable, all the mixed vegetable, everything together. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.